In this question, it's given that Kevin is making two investments. The first investment is $8,000 for 1 year at simple interest of 6% annually. And the second investment is for $10,000 for 1 year and 8% annually is the compound interest. And it is given that the interest is compounded semi-annually. All right. And we need to find out the total amount that Kevin earns. So over here, this is simple interest. So the interest he would be earning on $8,000 would be given by PTR by 100, right? Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. So over here, P is the principal, which is 8,000. The time is 1 year. So we have 1 over here. And the interest rate is 6%. So we have 6 by 100, right? So let's simplify this. So these two cancel out. So that's 80 into 6, which is equal to $480. So on this $8,000, he makes $480. All right. Now let's make some space. Now let's look at the compound interest. Now it's given that the interest rate is 8% annually, and it's mentioned over here that it's compounded semi-annually, right? So we have to convert this annually into semi-annually because both of them have to be in the same unit. So if it's 8% for 1 year, for half year it will be 8 by 2, which is 4%. All right. And 1 year, in 1 year, how many semi-annually periods are there? Or semi-annually means half year periods, right? So in 1 year, there are 2 half year periods. So the time period over here becomes 2. So notice what we have done. We have converted the time period and the interest rate into this unit over here, which is semi-annually or half year periods. All right. Now for compound interest, we know the formula amount is equal to the principal into 1 plus R to the power the time period. All right. So the amount that he would get after 2 semi-annual time periods would be given by A is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 square, right? So 10,000 is the principal and the rate is 4% semi-annually. So it's 4 by 100 over here. And the time period is 2 half year periods. So we have 2 over here. All right. So again, this is the same thing as increasing 10,000 by 4% 2 times, right? So let's say you start with 10,000, you increase it by 4%. So 1% would be 100. So 4% is 400, right? So 10,000 plus 400 gives you 10,400. Now you do this again. You have to increase this value over here again by 4%. All right. So you get 10,816. How do you do that? If this is the value that you're increasing, 1% of this would be just move the decimal point by 2 places to the left. So 1% is $104. So 4% will be 104 into 4, which is equal to 416. So 10,400 plus 416 will give you 10,816, right? So the increase is from 10,000 to 10,816. So there is an increase of 816. So that's the compound interest which he's getting. Now to find the total interest that he's getting, you just need to add 480, which is the simple interest, and 816, which is the compound interest, and that's equal to $1,296. And that's the correct answer to this question, which is answer option E. Now let's look at what is being tested over here. First, you should know about simple interest and compound interest, right? So that's basically what this question is about. And again, remember, in terms of compound interest, you have the word compounded annually over here, semi-annually over here. So that's something that you should know. If this is given, now it could be compounded quarterly, it could be compounded for any time period, right? So the key is that you have to convert the time period and the rate of interest into this unit over here.